Hello all, and welcome to KMT. In this video, we will show you how you can use Microsoft Office for free. It's actually quite easy. All you need to do is open up your favorite internet browser. In this case, we're going to use Microsoft Edge. Navigate to office.com. And here you will be prompted to either sign in or get M365. So in this video, we will be showing you how to use it for free. So we won't hit get Microsoft 365, we will hit sign in. When you hit sign in, it will ask you to choose an account if you have one. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll be asked to create one. It's free to do so there's no harm in doing this. Now that you have successfully logged in by logging into your Microsoft account or by creating a new Microsoft account, you will be brought to this screen. On the left side, you have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and a few more applications. Microsoft 365 is available for free through office.com on PCs, Macs, Linux-based computers, even Chrome OS. As long as you have an active internet connection and can open up a browser to get to office.com, you can access any of these applications for completely free. You got Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel. So we'll go ahead and click on Document. This looks familiar, doesn't it? So this is just like any other Word doc. You can go ahead and start typing. And you can go to insert, you can insert images, tables, all the regular stuff you can do with the regular Microsoft Word. And up here you can go here, change the name of the document to and it also has templates, just like the regular Microsoft Word. You have a few options with Microsoft Word in the cloud. Either you can keep your documents in the cloud, or if you want to download the document and use the Microsoft Word application, you can go to File, Save As. See, you can either download a copy or even download as a PDF. Now, we'll hit download a copy. And now you've downloaded an offline version of the document. Now, if you go back to the Microsoft 365 homepage, you can scroll down and you'll notice that your document's right here. Recently opened. You can go ahead and double click on this and it'll bring you back to the same document. The same goes for Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint. Go ahead and click on PowerPoint. It will open up a new tab with a blank presentation. Again, this is just like regular Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use some of the templates built in. Add title. And again, you can go to File, Save As. You can download a copy to your computer or download as PDF, download as images, any of the regular functionality you would have with Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if you go back to the Microsoft Office.com homepage, same thing goes for Excel. Excel Workbook. You'll open up a new tab with a blank Excel sheet. And again, it has the exact same functionality as the regular Microsoft Excel. Entering formulas, pivot tables, etc. Now, heading back to the Office.com homepage. The catch here is Microsoft Office is completely free as long as you have an internet connection to access your documents. So So you can come in here, you notice the presentation showed up, you notice the KMT document showed up. As long as you have an active internet connection, you can access all these applications for completely free. However, if you need to use it offline and you're not connected to the internet, then you will need to purchase Microsoft 365. If you click on install apps, it will ask you to go premium. Or you can click on this to buy Microsoft 365 so you can have it offline. Please check out the link in the description below if you'd like to purchase Microsoft Office 365 to use offline. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.